Watch out for the rebuild coming up soon, part number 2. What we're going to do is we're going to completely renovate it. So here we go, part 1. I just have to say that this apartment was most probably the worst I've seen in 30 years of renovating, helping people renovate their rental apartments. Hey, so we're all taped up. Just got to clean up one more time so that the spray doesn't dust in the, what do you call it, in the paint. So yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. Sanded down the mud. I'm going to try doing the bathroom if I can. Look at that door. Someone had a fight. So all this is going to be done. So I think we're going to spray it with primer first. So I'm going to do all these doors as well. We've got doors in from another apartment as well. It's easier to do if I'm spraying. So there you go. We've had a little setback. The paint we use is latex, which washes off with water. And well, someone mistakenly bought oil-based paint. So what that means is that our spray painter is ruined, and I need to put on the primer with a roller. Other than that, we're doing all right. So the primer's been applied to the walls. We're now doing it to all the wooden stuff. The primer will seal in the horrible smells in this place, plus make a great base for the paint that we're going to put on it. We're getting ready to spray tomorrow after we destroyed the machine. Poor thing. Yeah, so we're still working on it. We've got a new paint spray machine and everything's ready to spray. Started off over here, closet first, ceiling, and then the doors. Take me a couple of hours, I think. Everything white is now painted, and today I am going to do the edging in grey and then spray the grey on the walls, and this apartment is looking spanking new. Slowly is fine. What I'm going to be doing today is painting all this shit grey because I've done the white already. So I've got to be real careful because I'm not going to tape up the edges. We'll see what happens. Could be really catastrophic. But on the other hand, it might be very easy.
Dusty halls, no one calls, and all the window plants are dying. Should talk it up, half empty cup, half-hearted love, half of the time, halfway through crying. But she don't live here by herself, sleeping in the bed she's made, reading books about self-help, working late on Saturdays, like she got something at stake. For heaven's sake, turn awake, make no mistake, we break down daily with no warning.
Let's see where they've got to today. Still a bit more tiling to do. They've done quite a lot so far. As you can see, the walls are all grey now. Yep. All beautifully done in here, grouted and everything. It's going to look amazing when it's done. Yeah, great. What a good job. Also, let's see what's happening now. Gosh, look at this. Floor. Wow. It's just amazing. I mean, just remember what this was like. New windows in both ends, and new floor completely in, grouted, ready to go. Now the kitchen cabinets are here, ready to go in. As you can see, going to go in here. That's where we are right now. We're almost completely done. As you can see, appliances going in, kitchen cabinets all done, bathroom almost all done. Need to clean today, and I fixed this wall down here. Not a bad job actually. And then the bedroom. All right. Job well done.
See, you get what you put in, so you cannot get upset if you're just